AI for customer support startup Forethought launching Forethought Voice this week.
I just saw a charge on my card that I didn't make. The last four digits are 4821. Can you help me dispute it?
Sorry to hear that, and I'm happy to help. After verifying your identity, I see a $500 charge for a concert in London. Is this the charge you're disputing?
Yes, that's it. I was there last month, but I've been back for a couple of weeks, and I definitely didn't purchase concert tickets.
Understood. I've submitted your dispute, and credit will be applied within 24 hours. You'll get an email confirmation soon.
Founder and President Deon Nicholas is here, CEO Deon Nicholas here to talk about it in San Francisco. So impressive. Can every customer do this out of the gate? Does their data have to be ready?
Yeah, one of the beautiful things about the Forethought voice platform is that we integrate right into your systems. We have 70+ different integrations, whether that's the help desk, to telephony systems, to your databases, and we do the work of pulling that in, creating the model so that it can understand your business policies, and then ultimately being able to deploy and host conversations with your customers from end to end.
How thick is the competition out there? Brett Taylor at Sierra is out there as well?
Absolutely. So I like to think that voice is really the next frontier of AI. A lot of people have interacted with AI through things like GPT and chat and email, but over 65% of consumers want to interact with customer service through the phone, through voice, right? And so I think the competition is going to be stiff, but one of the big things is that fully agentic AI, one that can handle issues from end to end, resolve issues, take action, and do things like that are pretty rare. And so we're really excited about this launch.
How are you positioned with agentic? Because you and I were talking about that before agentic was, this buzzy term that everybody, Benioff, et cetera, spouting around.
Yeah, so what we're seeing in the market is that a lot of AI, now that GPT and now that there are a lot of language models out there, most AI is really going after FAQ-based questions. If you're using a large language model, you're able to answer questions like how do I do this? But take an issue like a password reset or reactivating your account. You don't want an AI that's going to just give you the 5 steps to resetting your account and sending you on your merry way.
You want it to go do it.
You want it to go do it, exactly. It's got to verify your identity, make sure it's you, look you up in the system, actually issue the password reset email or reissue a refund or whatever the action may be. And that's actually where the really hard part is when it comes to actually being able to do agentic AI.
You guys haven't raised money in a while. Why not?
So the last time we raised funding was in December of 2021. We actually raised a great round then. That was our 65 million Series C. And one of the things we saw was that as we are scaling, 2 things. One, businesses were becoming more and more efficient, ourselves included. So being able to make funding last and being able to grow and still have record years, 2024 for us was a record year, while becoming extremely efficient, means that you're the kind of business that's actually delivering value at scale. We're seeing a lot of noise and a lot of hype around companies, some of which you've mentioned earlier, that are raising a lot of money but not delivering a lot of value. And so we want to be the company that delivers ROI to our customers at scale.
How important are partnerships at this stage, and that in line with the fact that people are looking to save money, and customer support is one of those areas where a lot of companies seem to be looking to save it?
Absolutely. When you look at the agentic AI or even the Gen AI landscape, there is so much buzz and so much hype out there. But at the end of the day, customer support and the customer experience is where we're seeing the first real impact happen in agentic AI. In terms of partnerships, for example, we launched this voice AI in partnership with Cartesia, a very exciting startup that built their own voice model. They raised 64 million in a Series A recently. And so being able to partner with the best foundational models, but also integrating with systems, whether that's your Five9, AWS Connect, and many other telephony-based systems that these businesses are using, allows us to leapfrog and ultimately deliver value.